We'll start. Lesson 1.
Lesson 1.
The balloon man. Ramu is a balloon man. He sells balloons. He goes from house to house every day. One morning he went to a village to sell his colorful balloons. He called Raju, Bala, Mona, Saib, and Sonu, and said, I red, blue, green, orange, yellow, and white balloons. Do you want to buy them? But no one bought them. He was very sad. A young man came to him and said, "What's the matter? You look sad." The balloon seller said, Yes, I am here to sell the balloons, but no one is buying them today. Don't worry. I have come to buy them, and I want all the balloons. The young man bought all the balloons. Then he gave them to the children. The children were very happy. This young man was Chacha Nehru. अब आ जाते हैं लेसन 2. लेसन 2 सत्तू गोस शॉपिंग. सत्तू माँ वी हैव ए क्रिकेट मैच टुडे. May I go out to play? Mother, you must finish your homework first. Sattu, I have done my homework. Mother, then please help me with the shopping. Go to the market and buy some sugar, soap and vegetables for me. Here is the shopping list. Sugar 1 kilo. Soap 1 bar. Spinach 2 kilos. Biscuits 1 packet. Banana 1 dozen.
1 dozen.
Oil.
Oil.
1 liter.
1 liter.
Raju.
Raju.
Hello.
Hello.
Sattu.
Sattu.
Where are
You
you going?
going?
Sattu.
Sattu.
I am
Am
going
going
to
to
the
the
market.
market.
Raju.
Raju.
May
May
I
I
come
come
with
with
you?
you?
Sattu.
Sattu.
Yes,
Yes.
you
You
may.
may.
Sattu.
Sattu.
Uncle,
Uncle.
please
Please
give
give
me
me
these
these
things.
things.
Sattu
Sattu
gives
gives
the
the
shopping
shopping
list
list
to
to
the
the
shopkeeper.
shopkeeper.
Shopkeeper,
Shopkeeper.
here
Here
you
you
are,
are,
but
but
I
I
am
am
sorry.
sorry.
I
I
don't
don't
have
have
biscuit
biscuit
and
and
spinach.
spinach.
Sattu
Sattu
and
and
Raju
Raju
go
go
to
to
the
the
green
green
grocer.
grocer.
Sattu,
Sattu
uncle,
uncle,
please
please
give
give
me
me
2
2
kilos
kilos
of
of
spinach.
spinach.
Shopkeeper,
Shopkeeper.
here
Here
you are.
are.
Sattu
Sattu
and
and
Raju
Raju
return
return
home.
home.
Sattu,
Sattu
ma,
ma
we
we
bought
bought
your
your
things.
things.
Mother,
Mother,
thank you.
thank you.
Did
Did
you
you
get
get
all
all
the
the
things
things
in
in
the
the
list?
list?
Raju,
Raju,
we
we
couldn't
couldn't
get
get
biscuits.
biscuits.
Mother,
Mother,
where
where
is
is
the
the
spinach?
spelling?
Sattu,
Sattu,
oh,
oh,
look
look
at
at
the
the
cow.
cow.
अब आ जाते हैं लेसन 3 पर। इसका मीनिंग एक आध दिन देखेंगे, है ना। लेसन 3,
Lesson 3.
द
The
फिश
fish
एंड
and
द
the
डक।
duck.
मिस
Miss
बॉम्बी,
Mommy,
द
the
फिश
fish
was
was
merely
merely
swimming
swimming
with
with
her
her
friends.
friends.
She
She
saw
saw
Sumit sitting
sitting
on
on
the
the
shore.
shore.
His
His
fishing
fishing
line
line
had
had
a
a
juicy
juicy
bit
bit
of
of
earthworm
earthworm
on
on
the
the
end.
end.
Bambi
Bambi
said
said
to
to
herself,
herself,
what
what
a
a
tasty
tasty
trap.
trap.
She
She
went
went
to
to
all
all
the
the
fishes
fishes
and
and
said,
said,
let's
let's
go
go
somewhere
somewhere
else,
else,
or
or
we
we
will
will
be
be
eaten
eaten
up.
up.
Then
She
she found
found
a
a
shell,
shell,
a
a
king
king
shell,
shell,
and hung
hung
it
it
by
by
the
the
hook.
hook.
Sumit
Sumit
said,
said,
I
I
think
think
I
I
have
have
a
a
big
big
fish
fish
on
on
my
my
hook.
hook.
Let
Let
me
me
pull
pull
it
it
out.
out.
What's
What's
this?
this?
It is
It is
a
a
king
king
shell,
shell,
not
not
a
a
fish.
fish.
How
How
unlucky
unlucky
I am.
I am.
Bambi
Bambi
had
had
a
a
good
good
laugh.
laugh.
Ha
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 ha.
ha.
Ducky
Ducky
duck
duck
saw
saw
Bambi
Bambi
and
and
paddle
paddled
to
to
her.
her.
Ducky duck
Ducky duck
said,
said,
You
You
are
are
very
very
clever.
clever.
Bambi,
Bambi,
come
come
be
be
my
my
friend.
friend.
Bambi
Bambi
said,
said,
Thank you,
Thank you,
Mr.
Mr.
Ducky Duck,
Ducky Duck,
but
but
I
I
think
think
I
I
am
am
too
too
young
young
to
to
play
play
with
with
you.
you.
I
I
am
am
also
also
late.
red.
I
I
must
must
run
run
home.
home
Bye.
by.
अब आ जाते हैं लेसन 4। बोलो लेसन 4।
Lesson 4.
Cats
Cat
sleep
sleep
anywhere,
anywhere,
any table,
any table,
any chair, top of piano,
top of piano,
window,
leg
leg in
in
the
the
middle,
middle,
on
on
the
the
edge,
edge,
open drawer, empty
empty,
shoe, anybody's
anybody's
lap
will
do
do
fitted
fitted
in a
a
cardboard box
box
in the
in the
cupboard with your
your
frocks
crocs
anywhere. Then
don't
don't care.
care
Cat sleep
cat sleep
anywhere.